Hello everyone, and welcome to this Looker Studio tutorial by Powermetrics. In today's video, we'll be diving into the ins and outs of Looker Studio to help you get started and make the most out of this powerful tool. We will be covering everything from basics to advanced topics in a series of sessions. Firstly, let's understand what Looker Studio is. Next, we'll delve into connecting our data sources. Thirdly, we'll explore the various types of charts available. Moving on, we'll discuss working with aggregations and numbers. The fifth session will focus on working with text and regular expressions. In the sixth session, we'll learn how to group and categorize data. The seventh session will cover the types of visualizations in Looker Studio. In the eighth session, we'll explore data blending and different types of joins. The ninth session will guide you on using filters, parameters, and date functions effectively. Lastly, we'll wrap up with a session on how to share your reports. Now, let's begin by understanding what Looker Studio is. Looker Studio is a dynamic and user-friendly platform designed to streamline your data exploration and visualization process. It's a part of the Looker Business Intelligence platform, and it empowers you to turn raw data into compelling and insightful visualizations with ease. First, we need to connect and collect the necessary data, followed by proper cleaning and pre-processing. Afterward, we can leverage various types of charts to visualize valuable insights. Finally, we can share the reports accordingly. To establish data connections, Looker Studio provides both paid and free connectors, including Google, Partner, and Community connectors. Google connectors seamlessly link to Google Analytics and Google Ads, while Partner connectors, such as Facebook and Shopify, enhance connectivity. Community partners like BigQuery and API further extend integration possibilities. When collecting data, Looker Studio offers versatile controls like date selectors, input boxes, tick boxes, and advanced filters. After connecting and collecting, the next step is transforming the data through processes like validation, blending, aggregation, and applying functions. For effective visualization, Looker Studio supports a range of charts such as scatter charts, bubble charts, time series charts, geo maps, and community visualizations. Utilizing filters and navigation enhances the dashboard's overall effectiveness. Once the dashboard is ready, sharing options abound. Invite collaboration, schedule deliveries, download as PDF, generate shareable links, embed in other platforms, and even share directly on social media. Looker Studio provides a comprehensive toolkit for creating, refining, and sharing impactful reports. Thank you for joining our Looker Studio tutorial. Stay tuned for in-depth sessions covering data connections, chart types, and advanced features. Subscribe for more insights and happy exploring with Looker Studio by Powermetrics.